All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Welcome back. We are going to attack the acoustic guitar here. All right, so let's dive right into it. All right, and I add a little bit of red light distortion to that bass just to give me a little bit more top end. Okay. Um, well, before I even get to the guitar, let me let you guys listen what that sounds like. Okay, so you kind of got an idea of what that sounds like. Uh, a little bit of the red light distortion. I absolutely love that. All right, now when we get to the acoustic guitar, with the acoustic guitar, of course, ask yourself what don't you like, what type of tone you're going for. I definitely want a warm, high end controlled tone. Okay, so let's just listen to it in solo. All right, so it's a little on the low mid side. So we are going to get our slick EQ. So you guys, I really love this plug in. We're gonna high pass this to like about, I want to say 120. Okay. We are gonna find our our mid frequency that we don't like, scoop a little bit of that out and add some shine at the top. All right, here we go. All right, so I definitely like what that is doing. Like the sound already sounds great. Just want it to be just a tad bit brighter. Okay. And then with this, we are going to use, instead of a regular compressor, we're going to use a multi-band. Things like the C6, the C4, and so on and so forth. We're just going to use the stock one that comes in Studio One right here, and it's called the multi-band dynamics. It's basically the same thing. You got different bands. Here you got your high, you got your low mids, high mids, and the highs. Okay, that you can go ahead and do that. All right, make sure we are on our default setting. Okay, so now let's take a listen to see just on that high end, because the lows and everything else, we're going to bypass all that. We're just going to see what we are looking for in the high end, just to kind of tame that brightness. All right. Okay, so I think that sounds pretty good. We are going to add a little bit of chorus to that. And when we get to the effects part of it all. All right, so let's just listen to what we got so far and make sure that it's not competing with our piano and pads. right, and I believe that sounds pretty good. Of course, like I said, we haven't added any effects, you know, no reverbs, no delays, no nothing. This is just regular EQ, compression, you know, stuff like that, other than the distortion. But it's like helping the sound, okay? So, yeah, so that was it for the acoustic guitar. Now let's move on to the electrics. Later.